Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing unboxing, massive unboxing. Well, today we got a lot of things to unbox. Since you remember, we had last unboxing which was massive, and you're so excited, and I thought that right now I should just roll out a new massive unboxing. Let's get started. To this kind of bad boy, as you can see here, it's called the Behance Discovery Lelisu. It's actually headphones from Lelisu, and I thought that I could grab them because they have something in common. So as you can see at the background there's a red headphones there. I actually unboxed them back in the days, which are Sony, but they're mostly budget, and I thought that I should just grab this bad boy because perhaps this is actually incredible. As you can see, check out the material, how they did it. It's something which is so epic. Let me just get some cable and stuff. We got an aux, which looks like greatly material. We got a normal USB for charging it, which I don't like. This USB, they're so short, they're not that much longer, and the quality out of it, it's discouraged. So Lelisu, perhaps you guys come up with something much better. The headphones, let's talk about them. They're so nice. I like the design. I like what they kept on this kind of headphones. The rubber at the back looks like rubber. The material looks like army color, iPhone 11 style, I think. Now let's grab them. They're actually immersive in stuff like that, so let me just pair them up one time. They look like alien and stuff, like from the future or something. They have bass, really good bass. Actually, it's incredible for this kind of headphones, and that's so budget. What's the price? It's $15. Okay, I don't want any copyright strike and stuff like that, but on this, they're so incredible nice. They're nice. They actually give it go. It's very nice budget headphones which you can grab them and you can use it on your own kind of stuff. Whoa, what we have here, it's called the Moxom earphones, the Bluetooth earphones. You remember the other Bluetooth earphones which I had? I remember the box, I just threw it away, and they're so incredible. But these Moxom, are they good, or are they just Moxom and stuff like that? But I think to my own kind of aspect, they might be good. So let us just unbox them and see what they packed inside. Oh. Thank you, Moxom, I really appreciate it. Paperworks, which you guys don't read it and have no time of reading it, and some kind of sample of replacement of your earbuds, which I think is something which is so impressive. Check out the boxing, how they did it. They did something which is so amazing, and I think they're somehow legitimate. The buttons are so cool. They're legitimately well designed. So let me just plug them in. Are they magnetic? In kind, as you can see, guys, they're immersive, so they really stay tight. And yeah, let me try turning them on. Nice. I like the system of this one and the headphones. It talks like something crazy. Let me pair them one time. I'm so kind of fascinated or something, or I don't know what I can explain it, but they're cool. They're actually good. They're actually 100% good earphones, Bluetooth. Let me just play them, but I hope it's actually something which is so impressive for this type of earphones. Moxom, what they have, and it's something which is so incredible. And woo, jumping out to another kind of speaker. This speaker is called the portable TG, I think TG. These speakers, if you're living in town, you've seen them so many times in town, but if not, well, this speaker is something which is so great. And I forgot about the pricing of the Moxom. Is actually almost $25 up to $30, I think. I took them. It's something which is so incredible. So let's continue with this bad boy. So this bad boy is such an impressive bad boy. I really love the style, what they did. You can see how it is. It looks like JBL. As I said on my last video, these speakers which are budgets right now, they're like JBL killers, and people go with budget pricing rather than spending $200 or $300 on a speaker. Well, it's great that you're getting a different kind of environmental sound, but it's much better saving your money. So let me just unbox it so as some of you guys can see that, and let's jump into the specification first. First thing first, it has an output of 5W times 2 RMs, and it has a hands-free phone call. It has a microphone, that means it has a radio, it has an aux port, which is so impressive. It even has a card reader and 10 meters range, which is something which is so impressive. So another kind of stuff about this kind of bad boy is just that there are different types of colors, and I think I selected a perfect color just like the other JBL speaker which I had. But this is something which is so impressive out of here. As you can see guys, this is quite impressive. Let me just play
Bluetooth mode.
Nice. I like that kind of sound of assistant whereby it just tells you Bluetooth mode, but in a kind of futuristic way rather than that kind of old school vibe of connecting Bluetooth. So let me just come here at the Bluetooth connecting one time. It's impressive. Actually, it's actually 100% impressive because the sounds out of it, it's actually bass and it's really giving out. You can just clip on it and use it and wear it around and listen to good music if you want to. That's your thing. You can just have it wrap around your kind of shoulder. I think it's so impressive. You just wear it this way, you clip it, and you're good to go. I think it's something which is so amazing. Another kind of stuff, we have the ordinary USB. I call them ordinary because they're actually not bad, but I don't feel like they're legitimate. So the downside in uprising, good things about this, pros and cons, and I think we just have to appreciate what we get throughout the budget price. Okay, well, right now we're having all spring USB. As I get problems sometimes with my USB, and I'm missing a micro USB since I gave my micro USB to somebody, I don't even remember, but I think to my own kind of aspect for the micro USB and the type C one is something which is so legitimate. And this kind of USB, you'll ask me why did I grab them? I grabbed them because they're so legitimate and they're quite budget for your kind of stuff which you're gonna use. First thing first, the material of the cable, it's quite impressive. Just check it out how it looks like. It's fully surrounded with metal and it's spring and stuff like that, which is quite impressive, and it looks 100% premium. And for the budget price, you're getting something which is so naive, so as you can just charge it or give your juices to your devices, which is something which is so impressive. Okay, here we have it. We're having something called the Moxom charger. Looks like Loneo, the last one which I gave out the massive unboxing, but this one looks a little bit quite different, and this is from Moxom, but it's actually saying Qualcomm 3.0. I think if it charges the Qualcomm in 3.0 charging, I think it's so legitimate, and it's fast charging. That's how they say it here. It's a fast charging, so if it's fast charging, well, I think let's give it a try. So something which is so good about this charge, I think what they nailed it, is just that you're getting two types of charging. The USB 3.0, as you can see guys, the USB 3.0, and there's a normal charging one, which I think to my own kind of aspect is something which is so impressive from Moxom. And yeah, it's a fast charging how they say it, and I'm going to charge my phone. I can't charge it for this video because it will take a bunch of time, but I think to my own kind of aspect, it's so naive. And the cable which you're getting is just a normal micro USB, which is actually meh, decent, meh. Take of the month, is actually normal micro SD. It's an ultra class 10 as they stated here, because the last one which I had is just a normal, I purchased it somewhere and it wasn't decent. And this one, it's actually a flash drive 4GB, which I'm gonna give it to somebody by the way. And this one is just micro SD card which I'm gonna use. Another bad boy, this is a speaker. Well, it's a budget speaker, Bluetooth one, which is actually incredible. And this, it's just a wireless portable one, which looks like the TNG. I think it's just the same as the same company, but they just don't want to complicate it and everything. So let us just unbox. So let me just unbox it, and as you can see, guys, it's actually somehow legitimate, but somehow not legitimate. So I think it's legitimate, by the way. So Jumping out the USB, what they have, it's orange USB, orange color. I think I'm good on color. It's orange. There is aux and normal charging. I think this one is more perfect, where they nailed it with the micro USB charging it, which is impressive. Another kind of stuff, you get the wrap around on your shoulder, which you can hold your speaker, but not in public, and everything is gonna be great. Wow. So this is the massive speaker, which is so incredible. The sounds out of it, it's decent, but not 100% decent, but it's decent, I can call it. So what it has in power, it has 1500 milliampere battery, which gives you almost like 4 hours to 5 hours listening to music. But sometimes you might not be listening for all those hours, but I recommend plugging it on the power if it's your thing, listening throughout the day. It's quite impressive, and this shoulder, don't just keep it on your neck or your shoulder or any, just use it well. Talking about this speaker, let me just power it on one time. I'm going to just press this button.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see when your stars are burnt out and your heart makes no sound.
It's nice. It's nice. I have nothing to complain about. I have nothing to say about, rather than saying it's nice. The bass is actually decent. Don't get all the lies outside there telling you that don't purchase something which is underrated, but this is not underrated. This is actually a $35 speaker, which is something which is so nice, and something which is so naive, which is so impressive. So I think for this kind of stuff, which is a massive unboxing, I hope some of you guys enjoyed on this kind of amazing unboxing, massive one. And it's a little bit longer, yeah, but I think to my own kind of aspect, yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you love these videos today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. And if you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim113. Hope you love this kind of massive unboxing. If you have anything to comment down below, let me know in the comments down below. If you have anything to tell me, just a recommendation or anything, don't hesitate, just tell me about it. And yeah, that's what's up. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.